Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to add widgets on iPhone. Let's get started. First, go to your home screen. Now, press and hold on any app icon until a menu appears. From the menu that appears, tap on Edit Home Screen. The apps will start to jiggle, indicating you're in edit mode. Now, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see an edit option. Tap on Edit. A menu will appear with several options. From the menu, select Add Widget. This will open the widget gallery showing all available widgets from your installed apps. Scroll through the list to find the widget you want to add. I'll select the YouTube widget as an example. Tap on the YouTube widget to see different size options. Swipe left or right to preview different widget styles and sizes. Once you've chosen the widget size you want, tap on Add Widget at the bottom of the screen. The widget will now appear on your home screen. You can drag it to reposition it wherever you like. Tap done in the top right corner to exit edit mode. And that's it. You've successfully added a widget to your iPhone home screen. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.